How to share a photo on Zoom for iPhone. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to share a photo on Zoom for iPhone. For you to share a photo on an iPhone, you will need to join or create a meeting and have permissions from the host. Let's connect to a meeting on the iPhone. If you are the host of a meeting, automatically you can share a photo. So let's write the ID of the meeting. Now tap Join. Write your password and tap Continue. Here you can join with a video or without. Choose what you want. When you are in a meeting, please click on the Share Content button. If you receive this message, it seems you do not have permission to share the screen. You have to talk with the host to allow you access. Let's tap again on Share Content. You have here lots of options. You can share the screen, a photo, files from iCloud, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, a URL, a bookmark. To share a photo, select the second option, Photos. Tap Allow access to all photos. Select an image and tap Done. Now you are sharing this photo from your iPhone. On the bottom, you have an Edit option. Tap it. This will reveal a bar with multiple options. You have some pretty interesting features on the photo share on Zoom for iPhone. You will be able to draw, write text, and do much more to get your point across. The magic wand button is the spotlight. This option will set a pointer on the screen that will allow the person who follows you to pay attention to the part you want. If you keep the screen touch with your finger, then you can move the pointer in real time for your presentation. This is a very useful feature if you have a very big photo with a lot of stuff in it. Tap on the pencil icon from the button. The pen will allow you to draw, write, or make anything on your screen as you normally do with a pen on a piece of paper. How you can see, you can draw with this option real easily. If you tap on the yellow circle, on your screen can be a different color, you can select the color of your pencil. I just selected another color. Also here you can select the width of a line. The Erase button will allow you to clear your drawings or clear another drawings. The last option is the Save button. You can save this edited photo as a new file and use it again on another meeting. Now tap again on the Edit button from the bottom. To stop the photo share, you will have to tap on Stop Share. This is how you share a photo on Zoom for iPhone. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.